All right, good morning, guys. Yes, it's again Mike, and before anything else, I want to greet you a happy, and a prosperous New Year to everyone. It's been what now? 8 months since my last upload on video. I mean on YouTube. This was my last upload. That was 6 months ago, and my first video was 8 months ago. Wow. Okay. Well, my apologies. I've been managing two other YouTube accounts, and I'm gonna drop by once in a while in this channel so I could give you tips and help you out with your YouTube account and other things. How to. Okay, not only YouTube but the other things. But anyway, guys, what I want to talk about today is an update about the how to upload a video longer than 15 minutes. I have seen a lot of questions about, oh, I cannot see where to enable this, enable that, and that is why I am going to make an update of the first video ever that I uploaded on this channel that was 8 months ago. Okay, I'm not gonna make this too long. Let's get started. All right. So first thing we need to do is to go to our or to my main window of my channel. Click on YouTube Studio right here, Studio. Click on it. I'm having a hard time speaking English. Ano ba to? But anyway, guys, once you're here on the screen, I want you to please go to the left panel right here. Just go click on settings right here, settings, and then go to channel. Take a look on the left side again, channel, click on it. And then on the upper part, I want you to please click on advanced settings. Once you're here on this window, scroll it down. Please click on status and features. There you go. Now this is the same exact window where we enabled that option to upload a video longer than 15 minutes. And this is the one right here. See that? Mine has been enabled because we were able to enable it 8 months ago. That was my first video ever actually uploaded on this channel. So yeah, this is it, guys. All you have to do is to click on enable uh, whatever option you have here. It could be enable or it could be something else. I'm not really sure right now. I just want to show you exactly where you do it, where you want to do it. It might ask you for your phone number, your country, etc., etc. Just please follow the instructions and enjoy uploading videos longer than 15 minutes. All right, guys. Thank you very much again for staying with me. I'm not gonna make this too long. Again, I want to greet you a happy New Year. All right, this is again Mike, and I'll see you guys in the next video.